Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have a very different slash fun video that I thought of just randomly while I was doing this fun makeup today. And I wanted to film one more video with this makeup just because I'm really feeling it. And the video that we're going to be doing today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be playing the game of this or that tattoo and piercing edition. So I kind of got this idea because I did like one eye this and one eye that, and I was like this or that, and I was like that would be kind of a fun video, but how can I make it related around my channel? And you guys know I love tattoos and piercings, obviously, and I thought we could do a fun little game of this or that with tattoos and piercings. So I asked you guys about almost 3 hours ago on my Facebook page for my YouTube channel to leave me this or that suggestions, and I would make a video filming my answers, choosing between what you told me. So if you still don't know what the heck we're doing, that is totally fine. As the video goes on, I'm sure you will understand what we're doing. So we're just gonna have fun with it. I'm really excited. You guys had some really good ones, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I don't know how long I'm gonna film for or how long this video is gonna be. We're just gonna kind of chill and kind of roll with it. So the first one is from Chloe, and she said, get your fingers tattooed or an industrial piercing. And if I had to choose between the two of those, that's hard. I think I'm gonna choose getting my fingers tattooed, because industrial piercings, while I think they look really badass, I don't even want to imagine the healing process for that, because I hear industrial piercings can be quite a doozy for healing. So I think I would have to choose getting my fingers tattooed, just because I feel like I would be more prone to getting my fingers tattooed before getting an industrial piercing, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna choose fingy tattoos. This one from Lauren, she said, getting the McDonald's logo at least the size of a silver dollar on the side of your face, or a triple clavicle piercing. Did I say that right? Clavicle? Yeah, I think that's right. I'm gonna Google clavicle piercing. Oh my God! Ow! Oh, is that what that is? Just Googled it. Oh, that's a hard one. So getting the McDonald's logo at least the size of a silver dollar, so that's like this big, on the side of your face. Could you imagine? I just have the fucking golden arches on my cheek. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I'd have to go with the clavicle piercing. Just because, like, I'm not opposed to getting face tattoos, like, at all. I would totally do that, but not the McDonald's logo. I can't imagine. So I think I'm gonna say clavicle piercing, even though I'm sure that would hurt like hell. Oh, I cannot imagine that pain. Oh my God. Alyssa said a full neck tattoo or cheek piercings. And this one is really easy. I'd have to go with a neck tattoo. I love neck tattoos, not only on other people but on myself, and it's all because of like the Instagram filters where you put the filter on and it shows like your full neck tattooed. Ever since I tried one of those filters, I've been addicted. So definitely a full neck tattoo for sure. Stefan said a bridge piercing or a skull tattoo on the back of the neck. I'd probably have to go with the skull tattoo on the back of the neck, because I feel like that would just look really badass. Mattia said a big back piece or nipple piercings. Well, I already have both of my nipples pierced. I've had both of them pierced for many years now, so definitely a big back piece. What that back piece would be, I have no idea. I'd probably let the artist take full creative control and draw something up. Olivia said a bridge piercing or a VCH piercing. So a bridge piercing is right here, and VCH, that is a genital piercing. I'm definitely gonna say a bridge piercing, because anything like we got the sensitive lady bits. I don't want nothing down there just because I am so sensitive, so I definitely would have to go with the bridge piercing. And I feel like a bridge piercing wouldn't look that horrible on me. I mean, I would definitely look a little bit crazy to some people, but I don't think I would really look that bad with one. What do you guys think? Is someone gonna dare me to get my bridge pierced now? Watch all the comments. I triple dog dare ya! Agnes said, getting your partner's name tattooed or flat piercings in each ear. Hands down, piercings in the ear. Oh my god, I will never ever ever get a partner's name tattooed on me again. I've made that mistake once. Biggest mistake of my fucking life, and getting it covered was incredibly painful. So definitely the ear piercings. And don't ever get your partner's name tattooed on you. I don't care if you're married. I don't care. Like, you can get your kid's name, you can get your pet's name because that makes sense. But a partner, absolutely not. No, no, no. Tiara said a full butt cheek tattoo. Any image, it just has to be a full butt cheek. Ink Master style, or a mandible piercing. So when I first read this one, I had no idea what a mandible piercing was. So, and oh my god, I didn't even know that that piercing was a thing. It is like the scariest shit I have ever seen in my life. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but here's a Google image. So the bottom bar comes out here and it literally goes through your cheek and up underneath your tongue. That's what a mandible piercing is, I'm pretty sure. I tried finding other pictures of it. Oh yeah, here we go. Starts inside the mouth and emerges beneath the chin. Is that even safe? Like, do piercers actually do that one? First of all, I feel like you'd have to be a surgeon to do that. Second of all, ouch. So definitely I'm gonna take the full butt cheek. Like, tattoo my butt cheek all the way, all day, anything, because that sounds less painful than a mandible piercing. No. Here's another really hard one. A full face tattoo or a mandible piercing. The mandible piercing we just talked about. A full face tattoo. Let me Google a full face tattoo just to see. Okay, so I think we're talking along the lines of like the checkered print dude or like the lizard guy. I think, oh, I can't, oh. I'm gonna choose mandible piercing, and just because like I don't want a full face tattoo. I like my face. I don't want to cover it fully with tattoos. I mean, if you do, rock and roll. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to choose a mandible piercing. Could I like be put under for that? Like, could they knock me out, do it, and I'll wake up in no pain? Or do I have to sit there? That just sounds so painful. Does anyone watching this video, does anybody have their mandible pierced? Please tell me. Please, if you have it done or have had it done, let me know in the comments and tell me what that felt like. Because I cannot imagine the pain of that piercing. Chelsea said a heart tattoo on your arm or an inverse navel piercing. Definitely for this one, I would choose an inverse navel piercing, only because I have already thought about getting my inverted navel pierced. I already have a regular belly button piercing, and I always thought it would be cool to have like the inverted one. So I would definitely choose that one, even though I'm scared of the pain, because my regular belly button piercing hurt like a bitch. But I feel like I would definitely want an inverted navel piercing before a heart tattoo. Oh, you guys, these are so good. You did so good. This one from Shine, I hope I'm saying that right, have no tattoos at all or no piercings at all. I gotta think about this one. Oh my god, that is so hard. Y'all got my mind, you all got my wheels a-spinning. You got me thinking right now. What? How the heck do you choose between the two? Because they both mean so much to me. So like how? Alright, I've thought about it. And I think I would choose... It's like not that serious, but at the same time it is so serious. I think I'm gonna say no more piercings. Oh, that hurt. Okay, that's my answer. Has my mind changed? Probably. Cheyenne said collarbone piercings or full chest tattoo. And just by looking at the collarbone piercing a minute ago, I'm going to have to go with the full chest tattoo. I'm sure both hurt equally as bad, and I'm sure the collarbone one probably... Oh, yeah, okay. No, I'd rather sit through a full chest tattoo. Ashley said a dermal piercing or a throat tattoo. Hands down, throat tattoo. There's nothing more badass than a throat tattoo. They're so sexy on both men and women and everything in between. I love the look of throat tattoos, and I would love to have one. Oh my God, I would love to have one so much. And there's really nothing holding me back from getting one. My only thing is, would I even be able to sit through a throat tattoo? Because I hear those are very painful. And also, like, I always wondered this. If you have a throat tattoo, answer me this question. You're sitting there, right? You have your head back, you're getting your throat tattooed, you're doing the thing. What do you do with all your spit? Because I can't imagine you can keep swallowing your spit while you're getting your throat tattooed, because they're like there, and if they're like doing it and it's like, you know what I mean? Like, it's even hard to do. So like, what do they do if you have to swallow? Do you just like raise your hand like, I have to swallow, I have to swallow, I have to swallow? Abby said a Jaws shark anywhere on your thigh or a bridge piercing. Definitely gonna have to go with the Jaws shark. I love Jaws, I love sharks, and I love tattoos. And I feel like that would just be a badass tattoo. Jeffree Star has the Jaws shark right on his stomach, and it's like the best tattoo ever. So I would definitely want to emulate that and also get the Jaws shark tattooed on my thigh. I still have room on my thighs. So, I mean, I have tattoos on my thighs, but I have room. I could fit a Jaws shark in there. Ida said tattoos on the palm of your hands or tattoos on the soles of your feet. I think for this one, I would choose tattoos on the palm of my hands because, first of all, I would go through all that pain and I would still be able to see them. Whereas on my feet, it would hurt really bad and I wouldn't really see them, and they would fade about 10 times quicker than a palm tattoo. So I'd probably do the palm tattoo on my hand. Even though it will fade, I feel like it would just be more worth it because I'd be able to see it. You know what I mean? Ida also said another one, and she said a face tattoo or a genital piercing. So we just talked about genital piercings. We just talked about my sensitive Kit Kat. Face tattoo. Now, she didn't say what size. She didn't say where. You know, it could be, you know, something on the nose. I don't really know, but I would probably choose a face tattoo over a genital piercing. Ooh, this one just came in from Candace, and she said an inner lip tattoo or a tongue web piercing. I would probably have to choose a tongue web piercing, not only because I literally almost got one day, but I don't know, I feel like that would just be cool. Tongue web piercing is like the right there. Yeah, I would totally get that. I still might get it. You never know, because sometimes like when I have an itch to get a new piercing, I'm like, let's go right now. Like, it's not like something I think about and plan out. It's like when I want it, I go and get it. You know what I mean? Except this one. Like, I thought about it, I wanted it, but I never had time. And then one day I was like, I'm going. I'm very impulsive when it comes to my body mods, which is probably my toxic trait. This one from Casey says, angel wings on your back or another nose piercing. I'd probably have to go with another nose piercing because I still have to get the other side of this one done, because I have two over here, as you can see, so I want to match this side. So I'd probably choose another nose piercing. Oh, I forgot my septum is still flipped up. Hang on. There she is. God, I almost just dislocated my knee from jumping so hard because there's a bug in here, like one of those little like stink bugs. I got up to like check my camera to make sure like the mic was on, and it flew past me, and I like swerved so hard I literally almost just dislocated my knee. Oh my God, I'm almost 30. I can't be jumping like that. Oh, can you guys hear it buzzing? And I don't want to like smash it and kill it because like they stink when you do that. I swear to God, if this thing lands on me. All right, let's calm down. Let's compose ourselves. Let's continue. Anya said a full rib tattoo or a septum piercing. Seeing as how I have both of those, I do have a full rib piece, which I'll try to show you in case any of you don't know what it looks like. But here's my full rib piece right here. Goes all the way down. This I got many, many years ago, and then this part is the newest part because it was a cover-up. Even this is a few years old now. And I do also have my septum pierced. Candace also said a toe ring tattoo or an ankle dermal piercing. I think I would have to choose a toe ring tattoo because that just sounds really freaking cute. I would love that actually. So yeah, I'm gonna choose toe ring tattoo. Oh, here comes Tanya with another hard one. If you could only choose one, would you choose your Michael Myers portrait tattoo or your newest lip piercing? That's really hard. I'm definitely going to choose my Michael Myers portrait tattoo because I love that tattoo so freaking much. Here's my Michael Myers portrait tattoo right there. Yep. I'm keeping that one. That one's staying. She ain't going nowhere. And Springfield Creedon gave me a bunch of different options. They're not exactly this or that tattoo, but they're really kind of fun ones that I thought I would answer. So the first one is any tattoo you want for free or have all your bills paid for you for a full month. That one's easy. Definitely someone please pay all of my bills for 1 month. That would be great, and that would really help me to get caught up because this whole thing with inflation has been killing me, man. Killing me. Have you been to the grocery store lately? You know, like, have you seen the price of a loaf of bread? It's ridiculous. Like, I used to be able to fill my house and fridge with food for like 180 bucks. Now it's like almost $300 or more. It's insane. So yeah, pay all my bills for a month. That would be great. Ooh, never have to work again. Everything is paid for you, but never get tattoos and piercings. Or you have to work every day, but still get tattoos and piercings. I would probably have to say work every day and still get tattoos and piercings just because body mods are such a big part of my life and I just love them so much. So I feel like I'd rather kill myself working every day and still be able to get tattoos and piercings. Even though the sounds of not working ever again the day of my life and having everything paid for me sounds so nice. Like, you guys, you don't even understand. I am the laziest person on planet Earth, okay? I can literally lay on the couch for weeks at a time and doing nothing and being so happy. So happy it's ridiculous. So that one was a tough one, but I couldn't never not get tattoos and piercings again. That sounds terrible. Own a house or get to travel the world. Again, really easy. I would love to own my own house. That's like the next thing on my list. And I'm way too introverted to travel the world. So I would rather just own my own house and have my own space. You know what I mean? Alrighty guys, so I have officially answered everyone's comment. I'm sure there was probably a bunch of other people who wanted to comment as well, but I didn't want to wait too long to film this video. I was just really excited to film it and get it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you would like me to do a part 2 to it, or if you have another really fun suggestion of what we could do for another video that is similar to this, please let me know down in the comments. Please go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Go ahead and leave all of your thoughts and comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys thought of this. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are watching, I want to welcome you. Make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for doing this with me and for hanging out with me today. And I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!